Sixth problem is find the vector having magnitude root 16 units, and the given the what vector we can find out that vector is perpendicular to both vectors. One is a vector 2i minus k, another one is the b vector 3i minus j minus k. What is the formula and what is the rule for the vector finding which has the magnitude root 16 and perpendicular to the both vectors? Means the formula is the vector equation having magnitude root 16 units and perpendicular to a vector and b vector is equal to plus or minus root 16 into a cross b by modulus of a cross b. It is the formula. First, we can take what they have given the vectors, let it be a and b. The given vectors are a vector is equal to 2i minus k and b vector equal to 3i minus j minus k. Now we can find out the cross product of the a and b. That is equal to determinant I, j, k. A vector means 2, 0, minus 1. B is 3, minus 1, minus 1. It is equal to I into 0 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1 minus j into minus 2 minus into minus 3 1s are 3 plus k into minus 2 minus 0. It is equal to minus I minus j minus 2k. Here a cross b is equal to minus I minus j minus 2k. Next we can find out the determinant of a cross b equal to under root of minus 1 whole square plus minus 1 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. That is equal to under root of 1 plus 1 plus 4 is equal to root 6. The required vector equation having magnitude root 16 and perpendicular to a vector and b vector is equal to plus or minus root 16 into a vector cross b vector by modulus of a vector cross b vector is equal to plus or minus root 16. A cross b is minus I minus j minus 2k by root 16. Root 16 get cancelled. It is equal to plus or minus I minus I minus j minus 2k. If we can take the minus, plus into minus, minus into minus plus to I plus j plus 2k. This is the required equation of the required vector equation which has the magnitude root 16 and perpendicular to the given two vectors a vector and b vector. Seventh problem, find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points P, Q, R. First we know that first idea, what we get the idea means unit vector. Unit vector means supposed to find unit vector of A. Unit vector of A means that is A vector by mod A vector is the formula of the unit vector. Next, perpendicular condition. If a vector C vector is perpendicular to A vector and B vector is nothing but we can find out the A vector cross B vector. Perpendicular means A vector cross B vector is the perpendicular relation. Okay. For unit vector means unit vector of perpendicular of A and B means A vector cross B vector by modulus of A vector cross B vector. These two are the basic formulas for the determination of unit vector which is perpendicular to the planes. But the planes are finding with the PQR. That is nothing but this is a one plane. PQ vector is the one plane QR or PR. You can take any two. Either PQ or PR or PQ or QR, whatever the points. Here, first we can write the given points. The given points are P is 1 minus 1 2, Q is 2 0 minus 1 and R is 0 2 1. To find the planes nothing but PQ is a one plane and QR is another plane. PQ means OQ minus OP. QR means OR minus OQ equal to OQ means that is 2I minus J minus K, 0J minus K minus OP is I minus J plus 2K. Subtract 2I minus I, minus into minus plus J, minus K minus 2K minus 3K. Here OR is I, 0 into I is 0 plus 2J plus K minus of OQ is 2I minus K. Minus 2I plus 2J minus into minus plus K plus 2K. These two are the vectors, but these two are nothing but planes which are perpendicular. To find out the perpendicular means the relation is PQ cross QR we can find out. PQ cross QR means it is the determinant of the two vectors I, J, K. PQ is 1, 1, minus 3. QR is minus 2, 2, 2. I into 2 ones are 2. Minus of 2 into minus 3. Minus into minus plus 2 threes are 6. Minus J. 1 twos are 2. Minus 2 minus into minus plus 2 threes are 6. Plus K. 2 ones are 2 minus into minus plus 2. It is equal to 8I minus into minus plus 4J plus 4K. These are the planes perpendicular. Next, to find out the unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points PQR equal to PQ cross QR by modulus of PQ cross QR. It is equal to 8I plus 4J plus 4K by under root of 8 square is 64 plus 4 fours are 16 plus 4 fours are 16. It is 8I plus 4J plus 4K 32 plus 64 root 96 equal to 4 is taking common 2I plus J plus K. It's 96 means 2 48s 224, 212, 2, 6. It's 2, it's 2, 4. 4 root 6. 4, 4 cancel. It is equal to 1 by root 6 into 2I plus j plus k is the unit vector which is perpendicular to the plane. That plane is determined the 2 points PQ, 3 points PQR. It is the solution. Eighth problem, if A dot B equal to A dot C and A cross B equal to A cross C, where A is not equal to 0, then show that B equal to C. Here first we have to take what they have given the relation. They have given the relation A dot B equal to A dot C. From this, the right side dot product is taking to left side. A dot B minus A dot C equal to 0. In the dot product, the distribution law, A dot B dot A dot C means A dot of B minus C is equal to 0. We know that if A dot B equal to 0, if and only if A is perpendicular to B. In the same case, here A is perpendicular to B minus C vector. We can take the second relation. This is the let it be equation 1. The second relation is A cross B equal to A cross C. From this, again, we can take the right hand side terms taking to left side. A cross B minus A cross C equal to 0 vector. By the distribution, A cross taking common, then B vector minus C vector is equal to 0 vector. From this, if A vector cross B vector minus C vector is equal to 0 means, we know that A cross B is equal to 0 if and only if A and B are parallel. So here from this we can write it as A vector is parallel to B vector minus C vector. Let it be second equation. Here we know that A vector is not equal to 0. From this, here A is not equal to 0 means then B minus C vector is equal to 0. Here also A is not equal to 0 means B vector minus C vector equal to 0. When any one of the vector is 0, then cross is 0, dot is 0. From 1 and 2, suppose here we can take it as let it be 1, it is 2. From 1 and 2, B vector minus C vector is equal to 0. Then B vector is equal to C vector. It is the solution.
Okay, auntie.
Find the vector of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to both the vectors B and C. Already we solved the same similar problem, magnitude root 6 perpendicular to the vectors 2I minus j, something is there. The what is the a vector of vector equation of magnitude 3 and perpendicular to both the vectors B and C equal to plus or minus 3 B vector cross C vector by modulus of B vector cross C vector. You should find. Just to you find the B vector cross C vector, find out the determinants, apply in this formula, you are getting the What we want, the vector equation which has the magnitude 3 and which is perpendicular to the given two vectors B and C. It is for homework. Okay.
Okay.
Next, 10th one, if mod A equal to 13, mod B equal to 5 and A dot B equal to 60, then find the determinant of A vector cross B vector. We know the formula of modulus of A vector cross B vector whole square equal to modulus of A square into modulus of B square minus A vector dot B vector whole square. That is the form. Okay. From this, modulus of A vector cross B vector equal to mod A vector is 13 whole square. 5 square minus A dot B is 60 whole square. 13 square is 169 into 5 5s are 25 minus 3600. 25 9s are 225, 22 is the carry. 25 6 are 150, that is 150 means 172. 17, 25 ones are 25, then it is 42 minus 3600. It is equal to 1625. It is 25 whole square. So modulus of A cross B whole square equal to 25 square. From this, modulus of A cross B is equal to 25. It is the solution. Next problem. 11th one is important. Find unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through the points 1 2 3, 2 minus 1 1 and 1 2 minus 4. It is similar to previous problem only. Unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through the points P is 1 2 3, Q is 2 minus 1 1 and R is 1 2 minus 4. We can find out the PQ plane, that is OQ minus OP. Again find out the QR plane, that is OR minus OQ plane. Next to perpendicular means find out the PQ cross QR. Next to find out the determinant IJK. Perpendicular means determinant of PQ and QR. Why? Because unit vector. What is the unit vector? Unit vector perpendicular to the plane passing through the points means PQ cross QR by modulus of PQ cross QR. It is the formula. Already we have done this similar problem in the example in the problem 7. Find a unit vector perpendicular to the plane determined by the points PQR. Similar to same that one only. Okay, you do this also homework. Okay.
Okay.
Third bit, first problem, if small a comma small b and small c represent the vertices of capital A, capital B and capital C respectively of triangle ABC. These are the sides. ABC are the vertices of capital A, capital B, capital B. C means vertices means here first we can take the A, B, C are vertices of capital A, capital B, and capital C. Here A vector is equal to position vector of A. The position vector of A means that is nothing but OA vector. Same B vector is the position vector of B is nothing but that is OB vector. C is the position vector of C is OC vector. This is the given relation. Next we can prove that we know that the triangle ABC, area is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of AB cross AC. This is the area of the triangle ABC. Formula is the modulus of AB cross AC whole by 2. Here first we can find out the AB vector is nothing but OB vector minus OC vector, that is nothing but B vector minus C vector. Next AC vector equal to OC vector minus OA vector equal to C vector minus A vector. These two are substitute here. It is 1 by 2 modulus of B vector minus C vector cross C vector minus A vector. It is equal to 1 by 2 modulus of the cross product in between of the two vectors. B vector cross C vector minus B vector cross A vector minus C vector cross C vector minus into minus plus C vector cross A vector. It is equal to 1 by 2 B vector cross C vector. Here interchanging of these two, it will change the sign plus A vector cross B vector. We know that C vector cross C vector is equal to 0 and A cross B is equal to minus B cross A. These rules are applied here. We are getting A cross B plus C cross A. So from this 2 is taking to left side, 2 into area of triangle ABC is equal to modulus of B vector cross C vector plus A vector cross B vector plus C vector cross A vector. Write in order what they have given. It is equal to modulus of A vector cross B vector plus B vector cross C vector plus C vector cross A vector is the 2 into means twice the area of triangle ABC. It is the what they have asking. Then that we have proved. Second problem, if A equal to 2I plus 3J plus 4K, B equal to I plus J minus K and C equal to I minus J plus K, then compute A cross of B cross C and verify that it is perpendicular to A. Here, what they have given? Given vectors are A vector equal to 2I plus 3J plus 4K, B vector equal to I plus J minus K, and C vector equal to I minus J plus K. Then compute. First find out the B vector cross C vector, that is determinant I, J, K. B is 1, 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1 equal to I into 1, 1s are 1 minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. That is 1 minus 1 minus J, 1 minus into minus plus 1 plus K minus 1 minus 1. It is equal to 0 minus 2J minus 2K. Next to find out the A cross of B cross C vector. It is equal to determinant I, J, K. A is 2, 3, 4. B cross C is 0, minus 2, minus 2 equal to I into 3 2s are minus 6, minus 8, minus J into minus 4 minus 0 plus K into minus 4 plus 0. It is equal to minus 14I plus 4J minus 4k. Here I into, sorry, here plus 2. Why? Because 3 2s are minus 6, minus into minus plus 8, it is 2i plus 4j minus 4k. We can compute, this is the A vector cross of B vector cross C vector is equal to 2i plus 4j minus 4k. It is the value of the A cross of B cross C. Next, we can find out the perpendicular. If A and B are perpendicular means we know that if A and B are perpendicular means A dot B is equal to 0. Here we can find out A cross of B cross C dot A vector means 2i plus 4j minus 4k dot A vector is 2i plus 3j plus 4k. Product in between of two vectors, 2 2s are 4 plus 4 3s are 12 minus 4 4s are 16 equal to 16 minus 16, it is equal to 0. Therefore, A cross of B cross C is perpendicular to A vector.